In this video, we are going to update the pop-up titles for all our feature layers and tables in our feature service. So open up the update popups title.py script from the popups folder. Currently, none of our pop-ups for our feature layers or tables have a title set. Let's head over to our Python script and rectify that. Once more, we are going to use a combination of the item object getData method and the item object update method to update the title for pop-ups in our feature service. First, access ArcGIS Online using our GIS class and supplying in our home string. We'll assign our GIS object to a variable called AGOL. We then use our GIS class content manager get method supplying our feature service item ID, which I'll paste in now. The get method will return an item object that will assign to a variable called item. We then call the getData method on our item object. The getData method will return a dictionary that represents the item JSON data. We'll assign the dictionary to a variable called item data. Let's take a look at updating the pop-up titles. We're going to create two dictionaries, one called feature layer name dict and one called table name dict. And the key in each of these will be the layer and table ID, with the value being the name of the layer or table that matches that ID. So for our feature layer name dict, we'll have 0 trail viewpoints, 1 park trails, 2 park boundaries, and 3 county boundaries. And for our tables, we'll have 4 park maintenance information and 5 viewpoint reviews. First, iterate over our item data layers list, which is a list of dictionaries representing each layer. If the layer ID is in our feature layer name dict, then we are going to set the popupInfo title property to be the layer name. So if the ID is 0, the title is going to be set to trail viewpoints. If it is 1, park trails, and so on. And we do the same for our tables. For each table in our item data tables property, which is a list of dictionaries representing each table, if the table ID is in our dictionary, update the title to be the name of the table. So if it is 4, it will be park maintenance information, and if it is 5, it will be viewpoint reviews. We then summon the update method for the item object, where we supply the items parameter as a dictionary where the key is text and the value is the item data dictionary that we have updated with the pop-up titles. We'll assign the calling of the update method to a variable called status and print status to screen. So let's run the script. Our script is complete. We were returned true that the update was successful. Let's head over to ArcGIS Online and check out the result. As we saw, we didn't have any title set. I'm going to refresh the page. I'll click into layers, and with the trail viewpoint selected, I will click pop-ups. And we can see that the title has been set to trail viewpoints, and that is now shown in the pop-up. And if we go down through each of our feature layers, we can see that the title has been set, and also for our tables. Perfect. In the next video, we are going to see how we can limit the fields that are showing in our fields list. Make sure to continue on to the next video in this series, and also make sure to subscribe. Take care.